In pricing, we have to make sure that we are charging a right price from the client, right? That's how we have to make robust models which can calculate or estimate a right premium for any risk. So as you know, there are many functions in any companies, right? So we have a function of sales, there is a function of pricing, underwriting, claims operations, and each function has their own requirement, right? So finally, objective is same, either increase your revenue or reduce the cost, but there is a little difference in each of these functions. So, for example, some of the projects I can talk about sales department. So, usually when business people come to us to solve their problem related to sales, so mostly they are trying to increase their sales. So, for example, how to increase their conversion rates. Some of the times it happens that on their digital code journey, many insureds or many you can say prospects, they fall out in the beginning or step or in the some intermediary step. So they try to find out what is the reason behind this, why this fallout happening. So this is one of the important requirement at the sales point. Next, when we go in the chain, then we have a very important function called pricing. So in pricing, we have to make sure that we are charging a right price from the client, right? If we are charging a high price, then we are losing some of our customers. If we are charging low, then again we are losing our revenue. So we have to maintain a right price, right? So that's how we have to make robust models which can calculate or estimate a right premium for any risk. After when we move to, we have a customer now, we have priced that customer. Now next step is underwriting. So in underwriting, responsibility of underwriters are to manage their, you can say, profitability of their portfolio, right? So they make sure that only right policies or right customer enter into your portfolio. So for that, we have to help insurer in solving their problems, like is there any policy which is coming into portfolio have higher chances of being fraudulent, right? So that's how we try to avoid these fraudulent kind of policies. We make sure that policies or customers which are coming into the system, they have a high profitability. So for that, we create a lifetime value of the customer so that we can plan accordingly for that particular portfolio. Now, after underwriting, there is an important function in insurance is claims. And I think half of the research or more than half of the research has always been going into the claims department, because this is the main product which we are giving to the customers. For claims, we always try to maintain a policy where we won't have to lose a lot of money in the way of fraudulent claims, or in the way of you can say some of the recoveries which may happen, but we are not pursuing those recoveries through subrogation or different you can say channels. So we have to make sure that we don't lose a lot of money in claims processes, and simultaneously we have to make our customers happy, right? So customer experience is also a very important task in claims department. So these are some of the requirements at each step of insurance, and accordingly we create solutions, analytical solutions to solve all these problems.